What if I tell you you can buy a single family home with a 5,000 to 6,000 square foot lot, 2-car garage, starting at $282,000? You probably say that I'm lying, but I was shocked when I saw this too. I am not lying. This is real, and this community that right behind me that you can see here is under construction at this moment. This community is called Ranches at Lake Mcleod. And as you can see, this is not a drill, this is real. You can see the starting prices are at $282,000 up to $386,000 for the biggest model, depending on the model that you select. This community is located in the outskirts of Orlando and Tampa. As you can see, it's right in the middle in the Lakeland area. It's about 45 minutes away from Disney World and about 45 minutes away from Tampa as well. As you can see here, there are all sorts of different layouts and models of properties. You have a 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom property with about 2,575 square feet with 2-car garage on a 5,000 to 6,000 square foot lot, as well as a 4.5 of 1,879 square feet. You also have options of getting a single-story house as well. As you can see here, the Annapolis is about $282,000 for 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms of 1,444 square feet, and the Dover has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with 1,555 square feet. Here you have 2 more of the many models that they have to offer in these communities. But if you're looking to invest or buy a primary home, this may be a great opportunity for you to get yourself a single family property. And at this time, they're offering $15,000 towards closing costs. Lakeland is an amazing area to invest in because of its proximity to Orlando and Tampa, and real estate is booming.